Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in so long and I was really inspired to do this video. So it's going to be a no makeup look for summer. Last week I received this collection from NYX. This video is not sponsored, but the packaging of the whole collection is the Bear With Me collection. Really inspired me to do this video. Like, the packaging is so cute. But yeah, I had lots of fun filming this video. If you want to see how I get this no makeup look for summer, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so for my body, I wanted to have a subtle glow. So I used two different products. I mixed these together. So first, the NYX Huile Prodigieuse. This one is the gold one, so it has gold shimmer. This also smells really, really nice. It's a very soft, warm scent, so it smells really good. But then, since I wanted a bit more color to my skin, I used the Loving Tan Bronze Shimmer Luminous Cream in Dark. This, I really like the color because it almost has like a red undertone, so it actually makes you look like you have a natural tan going on. Okay, now I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. So the first time I used this product, I did not moisturize first. Now today I did moisturize this morning when I did my skincare routine, but I think you could definitely use this product without moisturizing. Like, you could use this as your moisturizer in the morning, because you know, in the summer sometimes you don't want too many layers on your skin. Now this has a super interesting texture. Like, it honestly looks like a jelly. I don't know if you can see, but it really looks like jello. Now this feels really good on the skin. It almost feels like cooling, but in a really good way. Okay, now this is probably my favorite product of the collection. This is the Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. Now they sent me three, but the shade that fits me the best is True Beige Buff. So it's the number 4. Now this to me kind of reminds me of the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. Now I'm comparing these two because this is what I've been using pretty much on the daily now. This is actually my second bottle of this. This is an amazing product. It makes your skin look like skin, but better. It gives you a nice glow, but it honestly doesn't look like you have anything on, but it just makes your skin look really radiant. So this is definitely like one of my favorites. So this actually gives you a very similar look on your skin. It makes your skin look like skin. This is what I want for every day, especially if I'm gonna be wearing this look to the gym. You know, sometimes I like to even out my skin tone a little bit. You want something that makes your skin look like skin, which is a bit better, you know. Then I'm gonna use a Sigma F80 to blend this out. I also have a coupon code with Sigma. I've had one for a couple years. Honestly, I really like Sigma brushes, and a couple years ago, like, I placed a huge order and I've been loving the brushes ever since. So yeah, if you're interested, it's Chloe 10 for 10% off. So I'm just gonna use this to blend this out. As you can see already, it just gives my skin like a really nice glow. Like, you can see my freckles, you can see, you know, my skin texture, which personally I like, as I said, for every day. So this is just one layer. It looks really, really good. I just have a tiny bit more on my hand, so I'm just gonna add that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this because it really reminds me of the NARS one. Now recently I feel like I've been struggling with my under eyes. I feel like you see them a lot, and usually it doesn't bother me, but recently I've been trying to cover them up. So I'm gonna use this little palette from Maybelline. It's the Master Cameo. I'm assuming this is, oh, this is the medium. I just used the corrector shade, and I'm just gonna apply that like directly on my under eyes. I think this is a bit too dark for me. I would need the lighter palette. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. Now I've been using the shade NW24, which is a pinky tone. But recently I've been noticing that if I use something that is too yellow underneath my eyes, it can actually make my under eyes look worse. So I've been trying to use kind of pinky peachy tone concealers. So I've been using this one recently, and it seems to work great. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Tints. I like the shades because it's gonna work for every skin tone. So this is what you get. It's just like a jelly almost. It feels really cooling when you apply it. So my favorite shade is the coral one. It's called Detox Me. And then the pink one is called Creative, and the berry one is called Do Me Right. So I'm just gonna apply this on my cheeks. And I'm gonna blend this with my same foundation brush. And in the summer, I also like to apply a little bit on my nose, like a little bit of blush. And then my chin. I kind of like that look for summer. So it's quite subtle. You can apply more if you want to. Okay, I feel like I went a little overboard, but it's okay. Okay, now my favorite part, the bronzer. So I actually talked about this bronzer before on my channel. It's the matte bronzer from NYX. I have it in the shade Dark Tan. Now this is actually my second one. Now the reason why I really like this is because it has a red undertone, and as I said, red undertone and, you know, bronzers or like body shimmer kind of stuff makes you look like you got a natural tan, which is great. The brush I've been really liking to use with really dark bronzers like that is this one from Sigma. It's the F10. I like it because it's super flexible, so it's gonna blend really nicely, and it's more flat and it's kind of small. So yeah, because this bronzer is like really pigmented, so you have to be a little careful. So I first start with my forehead, and I make sure to blend the product in my hairline. And then I kind of do create a C. Then I'll apply the remaining in my neck. Like, I blend it down my neck. I always do my eyelids, because when I do this kind of makeup look, I don't put on any eyeshadow, but I like to have a little something on my lid. And then I usually do like the tip of my nose and under my lip. Okay, and then I'll do my collarbones a little bit. Of course, this is optional, but so this is pretty much it for the skin. These two paired together gives you like a really beautiful, radiant kind of glow. Don't need a highlight. And then I always like to curl my lashes. I use the Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm gonna use a lash primer and mascara. So recently I've been really loving eyelash primers. So there's a couple different ones I like. This one from L'Oreal, the Lash Paradise primer, is really good. If not, I really like this one from Marc Jacobs. It's the Velvet primer. So I love me a good primer and mascara combo. There's plenty, especially I haven't really been wearing false eyelashes in like pretty much a year. So yeah, I really appreciate lash primers now. Okay, now for the lips. I feel like the sun keeps coming in and out. The lighting looks so much better when the sun is here, but whatever. So I'm just gonna grab the little jelly again in the coral shade, and I'm actually gonna use this with my finger. I really like coral lips in the summer especially. Now this just gives a bit of color. Almost looks like you're sucking on a popsicle. I've been using this one a lot. It's the Lip Maximizer Collagen Active from Dior. Now, I've had this for years, okay? And I bought this at Shoppers. It was on sale for $10. And yeah, for some reason, it's not one that I was reaching for a lot because it was kind of fancy and I don't know. But I actually, you know, I really like it. I like the way it looks. So I feel like I'm gonna buy another one when I'm gonna be done with this, because it's oh, I put on way too much. It's one of those lip glosses that it's not sticky, it's super shiny, but it just makes your lips feel really slippery. So yeah, this is definitely like my lip gloss of the moment. And you know, if this was real life, I would definitely not go back and like recurl my lashes and apply more mascara, but because this is a video and not real life, I will recurl my lashes. And you know, since this is not real life, let me add just an eyeliner in my waterline. These are new. They're from Maybelline. It's called the Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. I think it's for your top lash line, but I use this in my upper waterline. This one is the brown one, and I feel like it lasts pretty well. So now, as I said, if this was real life, I would probably not do this step. But I feel like I can definitely tell a difference. I just don't like to see that little gap of skin between like your eyes and your mascara. So okay, I'm just gonna recurl my lashes. So this is the makeup. I feel like it's a lot for a no makeup look, but hey. Okay, and then last step is going to be the setting spray. So this is the NYX Bear With Me Prep Set Refresh. It says up to 8 hours. So I just love the packaging of this collection. It's just so pretty. I pretty much always set my face because I just feel like it melts all your makeup together. It just makes your skin look better, makes your skin look like skin. It's just really great. Now this has a really pleasant scent. It's definitely not too much. Really love the packaging, honestly. And I just love setting sprays. So, I mean, I like this one. There's not much to say about a setting spray. So I think this is it for my no makeup look. And also, you know, my sort of review on the new Bear With Me collection from NYX. Now this was not sponsored, by the way. The packaging just really inspired me to film this video with like this top. This is actually a dress that I got years ago from Urban Planet. I got it on sale, I remember, but I never wore it. And when I saw this packaging and I knew I wanted to film a video, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wear this. And yeah, but they did send me the products, but this is not sponsored. But yeah, I really like this look. I feel like, you know, with a nice tan, some glowy skin, it makes you look just that tiny bit a little better. But it's like, is she wearing makeup? I mean, we know, but you know, you look good, you look glowing. So yeah, all the products will be listed down below if you're interested. Let me know how you like this setup. I've been trying to find a background that is pleasing and just a setup in general to film my sit down videos, you know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. You can also subscribe to my channel. I make plenty of videos. You can also follow me on Instagram at Zadori. I'm trying to be way more active and post lots of pictures, do Insta stories and little Insta videos, so definitely follow me. Leave me any video requests you have down below in the comments, and I will see you very soon in a new video. Bye!